my name is Callista, and today I'm going to tell you how to make moon sand. You need you can use half a cup of baby oil, and we did that. And we used 4 cups of flour. My mom is going to show the recipe down below. And here's how we do it. This is simple and easy. Pour this in, but slowly. Gotta pour all of it in. I'm going to try to go a little bit faster.
Well, once you're done putting it in, what are we going to do?
Huh?
What are we going to do after you're done pouring it in?
Mix it. I'm using a spoon because I don't want to use my hand.
Hold on.
Okay, it's all mixed now, and I'm playing with it. It's so fun. Now we can use this, but no food coloring, or it will color your hands too. Not just this. It just broke it. I can't pick it up. It's so fun.
Okay.
Oh, and don't forget to give this show a thumbs up, okay?